If your weekend drive feels flat, imagine cruising at 19,024 feet above sea level. Welcome to La Pass. Imagine driving so high up you're closer to airplanes than city streets. The Border Roads Organization has constructed the world's highest motorable road. At 19,024 feet, this engineering marvel connects remote regions of India. Building this road was no walk in the park. The BRO faced extreme weather, rugged terrain and thin air. Yet they pushed through, showcasing India's infrastructure capabilities. This road isn't just for thrill seekers, it's a lifeline enhancing connectivity in a crucial border region. Guinness World Records awarded BRO a certificate for this achievement. So next time you think a road trip is tough, remember the La Pass, where engineering meets the sky.